Take 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in the morning, and these unbelievable things happen. Dietary fats are highly controversial, with debates about animal fats, seed oils, and everything in between in full force. That said, most people agree that extra virgin olive oil is incredibly healthy. Part of the Mediterranean diet, this traditional oil has been a dietary staple for some of the world's healthiest populations. Studies show that the fatty acids and antioxidants in olive oil can offer some powerful health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease. What is olive oil and how is it made? Olive oil is oil that has been extracted from olives, the fruits of the olive tree. Modern olive oil is made by crushing olives and separating the oil from the pulp in a centrifuge. Extra virgin olive oil is 100% natural and high in antioxidants. Nutrient composition of extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is fairly nutritious. Olive oil is very high in monounsaturated fats and contains a modest amount of vitamins E and K. True extra virgin olive oil is loaded with antioxidants, some of which have powerful health benefits. 2 types of olive oil. The 2 most common grades are virgin, OVU, and extra virgin olive oil, ORIVU. Extra virgin olive oil is obtained by first pulverizing then pressing the fruit of olive trees, and virgin olive oil is obtained from the secondary press. Extra virgin olive oil is of the finest quality available. It also retains the highest level of natural minerals and vitamins. Being the purest grade, it has the lowest smoke point of all grades and is usually best used on salad or eaten raw. Take a look at what 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil every day can do for you. Extra virgin olive oil contains anti-inflammatory substances. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleic acid and oleocanthal, 2 nutrients that can fight inflammation. This may be the main reason for olive oil's health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil and cardiovascular disease. Extra virgin olive oil may be one of the healthiest foods you can eat for heart health. It reduces blood pressure and inflammation, protects LDL particles from oxidation, and may help prevent unwanted blood clotting. Other health benefits of extra virgin olive oil. Although olive oil has mostly been studied for its effects on heart health, its consumption has also been associated with a number of other health benefits. Olive oil and cancer. Cancer is a common cause of death and characterized by the uncontrolled growth of cells. Studies have shown that people living in the Mediterranean countries have a fairly low risk of cancer, and some have speculated that olive oil has something to do with this. One potential contributor to cancer is oxidative damage due to harmful molecules called free radicals. However, extra virgin olive oil is high in antioxidants that reduce oxidative damage. The oleic acid in olive oil is also highly resistant to oxidation and has been shown to have beneficial effects on genes linked to cancer. Many test tube studies have observed that compounds in olive oil can help fight cancer at the molecular level. That said, controlled trials in humans have yet to study whether olive oil helps prevent cancer. Olive oil and Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the world's most common neurodegenerative disease and a leading cause of dementia. One feature of Alzheimer's is a buildup of protein tangles called beta-amyloid plaques in certain neurons in the brain. A study in mice observed that a substance in olive oil can help clear these plaques. Additionally, a controlled study in humans showed that a Mediterranean diet enriched with olive oil improved brain function and reduced the risk of cognitive impairment. Incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your daily diet has been scientifically proven to prevent, treat, and even reverse the effects of numerous negative health conditions. Dosing considerations for olive. The following doses have been studied in scientific research. Take these by mouth. For constipation, 30 ml of olive oil. For high blood pressure, 30 to 40 grams per day of extra virgin olive oil as part of the diet. 400 mg of olive leaf extract 4 times daily has also been used for high blood pressure. For high cholesterol, 23 grams of olive oil per day, about 2 tablespoons, providing 17.5 grams of monounsaturated fatty acids in place of saturated fats in the diet. For preventing heart disease and heart attacks, 54 grams per day, about 4 tablespoons, has been used. As a part of a Mediterranean diet, consuming up to 1 liter of extra virgin olive oil per week has also been used.